Kanilang yun siya ang sekreto. Kung namoy gray hair, kay ka maka gasto weekly pagpa-color. Pwede na siya murag 1.5 month pag naakaani. Ganahan ako simple lang, bugot hair. No fancy, no ek-ek. Kay nagdali kay ko. Medyo late na tagamay. Importante, glow it To Ma'am Leslie who asked me unsa ako ang give highlight last time. Focalior ni siya. Ang iyahang shade is the Ice Planet. Thank you. Di na to kalimtan ni. Of course, matubang bayatag atong mga kliyente. Pahumot yun guys. And then, this is my outfit for today. I really love this because soft siya nga tela. Di siya limuot. Bisag init ang Philippines. But still, na siya cooling effect. I'm wearing belt kay medyo luag na siya. Siguro yung payat na ko, but I don't think so. I'm wearing black this time because my shoes is black. So mind you guys, whatever your shoes color is, it must be the color of your belt as well. So black akong belt karon, kay black man akong gigamit ng shoes. This is a long dress guys, taas gid siya oh. But it's nice. Well, you can wear short, you can wear kanang mid lang a dress, you can wear also long. Depends. Me, I like to wear anything. I don't have any apprehensions as long as I'm carrying it with confidence. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Akong bag karon guys, no, kay wa gyud mamaos akong outfit, but I really like this bag kay kaning dako manggod nya bugat kay akong dala karon. So I choose this bag na lang kay dago kay sulod. Although it is never matched with my outfit, but it's okay. I'm working, so whatever. Bye!